Have you ever eaten something so healthy that your body almost feels grateful afterward? A meal so simple yet so powerful, you want to come back to it again and again? Today I'm making one of those dishes, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it deserves a place in your weekly routine. Hi, I'm Lucy, and welcome to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen. If you love food that's quick, nourishing, and genuinely good for you, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a single recipe. Today we're cooking my lemon garlic chicken and veggie skillet. It's bright, protein-packed, and ready in minutes. Perfect for busy days when you still want to eat well. This is one of those meals that feels light but keeps you full. Simple yet incredibly satisfying. Here's everything you'll need for 2 servings. 1 medium chicken breast, about 200 grams. 1 cup of broccoli florets. Half a red bell pepper sliced. 1 small zucchini sliced into half moons. 2 cloves of fresh garlic. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 fresh lemon for juice and zest. Clean, whole ingredients, nothing complicated. This is where healthy cooking really begins. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. While the pan heats, slice the chicken into thin strips. This helps it cook faster and more evenly. Season the chicken with half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Cook for about 3 minutes per side until the edges turn golden and the chicken is just cooked through. Now add the vegetables. Start with the broccoli, then the bell pepper and zucchini. Toss everything gently and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You want the vegetables tender but still bright and slightly crisp. Now comes the flavor. Add the minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and sprinkle a little lemon zest on top. Give everything one final toss, turn off the heat, and let the flavor settle for a moment. Serve it just like this for a light, satisfying meal. Or pair it with quinoa, brown rice, or a fresh green salad if you want something more filling. The aroma alone tells you, this is something special. 1 serving contains approximately 340 calories, around 38 grams of protein, healthy fats from olive oil, and balanced carbohydrates from fresh vegetables. It fuels your body without slowing you down. Broccoli provides antioxidants and supports your immune system. Red bell pepper is rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. Zucchini supports hydration and digestion. Garlic helps reduce inflammation and supports heart health. And lemon doesn't just brighten the flavor, it supports digestion and metabolism. This is the kind of meal you come back to, not because it's complicated, but because it makes you feel good. If you want more recipes like this, subscribe to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen and hit the bell so you never miss a new one. Thank you for cooking with me, and stay healthy.